Watch this out. It's how much danger they go through. They just want to get somewhere. They don't care where they go. What can you see there? Two people hiding. It's risky. Look at him running. Straight away. You notice things in the mirrors? Get off. Are you joking? Are you joking? You know how dangerous that is. Here we go again, guys. We've got a different one today. Today I'm going to be doing a reaction on this guy, which is somebody that I've been following for a really long time. This guy does trips to Europe, all over to Germany, Spain. You can check out his channel. I'm going to leave the link in the bottom of this video so you can check all his video if you're planning to go to Europe as a truck driver, planning to go traveling as normal like a caravan, stuff like that. I do suggest to go and check this guy because things that he show and I'm gonna show you that he does are essential for you not to get in trouble on the border. All right, look at this. They're just trying to run out of somewhere to jump in the back of his wagon. Look at this. It's how much danger they go through. They just want to get somewhere. They don't care where they go, but they want to. Primarily, they want to come to the UK, and look what some desperate people do. We don't know the reason why. He comes out his wagon, well, he's out already doing his checks, but the first thing you can see is people waiting out for him to take off, to jump in the back of his trailer, to go to wherever he goes, and most of them want to go to England. What's the reason why? Not too sure. Straight away, he's got people sat there just waiting for him to take off, and he's telling him to go. Oh, he's driving out. Straight away, boom. What can you see there? Two people hiding. What's that? It's a bin and a rock, and they're just waiting out for him to go so they can jump in the back of that. It's risky. Look at him running. I seen the comments for his videos, and people saying, "Oh, you racist." No, he's not. He's just doing his job. Because if he's get over the border, I'm not too sure, but he gets on the border and he's got somebody in the back of his wagon, he's gonna get fined for that. He's gonna get fined. I think it's like £2,000 per person as well, and something else. I remember watching this bit in the TikTok as well. Go and have a look at his TikTok. There's really a lot of information there that we all should be paying attention as well. He's going to Germany or coming back to the UK, not too sure. Watch this out. Straight away. The guy's hiding behind some, I'm not too sure what that is. I think it's like some electrical boxes or something like that for the company that is based there. Look, straight away. You notice things in the mirror? Get off. Are you joking? Are you joking? You know how dangerous that is? If he runs him over or something like that, he will get in so much trouble straight away, even knowing that it's not his fault. He's fuming. I would be fuming as well. You cannot blame him for that. I will be fuming, absolutely fuming about this. How they use one of them to distract you to get in the back of the trailer. Check this out.
No, I'm busy. Go away.
Straight away, you see like, okay, go away because he's talking to him so the rest of his friends can get in the trailer, and this is how they do it. Look at that, he's gonna go and check. He wasn't even talking to him for longer than 2 minutes, and then he's got people climbing on the back of his ladders that he uses to get in the back of the trailer or to climb on the top to make sure there's nobody there. They're using that as well. It's not escaping from this actually. It's so confusing. He's not being rude to say like, oh, this and that. He's just being aggressive with them. He's just telling like, come on your way, get down. You're always gonna get it when you go to different places, especially when you go to Europe. And this is the guy to watch. Look. It's on the other side. It's like playing cat and mouse game with the immigrants. Like, it's just running after each other. Oh, that'd be so much frustration. I want to do Europe. I really want to do it. and I want to get that experience because everybody that goes out this is absolutely amazing, but I don't want to go through this. Imagine living like that. And yes, we're gonna finish this reaction with him telling us what to do or how to act or how to react to them when we're in that situation.
The migrants ever get aggressive or physical? That all depends on the attitude you have with them. The trick is not to get right up in their face. Don't be aggressive with them. Don't be physical with them. That's a last resort, and only in self-defense. The trick is to be firm and assertive with them. Keep your distance. Keep a distance between you and them. A safe distance for you, not for them, but for you. Always back away if you can. If you're left with no choice, then you're left with no choice. But it's like being a police officer or a security guard or a teacher at school. Be firm and assertive with them. That normally works for me. I'm not going to say it's going to work every time, but always remember, they are armed. They always outnumber you. Even if there's only 2 or 3 you see, there's always more round the corner, and they shout and they all come running.